Welcome back to our 2023 Polaris RZR XP1000 video series. This is video number 10. Who doesn't love a wheel tire upgrade on their side-by-side or ATV? We certainly do, and that's what we're doing today on our RZR XP1000. Most of you know that the Polaris RZR XP1000s come with a staggered tire setup, which means they're skinny in front, wide in back. Stock size is 29 inches tall. For this upgrade, our tire of choice is a Sun F A045 radial 8-ply tire in size 30 by 10/14, and that is what we are putting at all four corners. We chose the Sun F A045 tire because of the 8-ply radial construction and a tread design that should work very well in the wide variety of terrains that we ride. Sun F Tires has partnered with TSY Wheels, and you can now order wheel tire combinations just like this one that we ordered off sunf.com. Sun F has noticed that we use their tires on our machines, and they've provided a promo code that allows our viewers to save 5% on their total order. That includes wheel tire combos like this one at sunf.com, and that code is Southwest ORV to save 5% on your total order. Let's get them installed. There we go. Good girl. Right there. Other way. See where the hole is? Good job. Now hop up. Smile at the camera. Attention you're supposed to have. Looking good. Let's see how it looks out on the road.